Organizations are generating more data than ever before, yet many still struggle to turn that data into meaningful decisions. Valuable insights remain hidden in massive datasets, leading to missed opportunities, inefficient operations, and slower business growth. The urgency is clear. The global big data analytics market is expected to grow from $0.3 trillion in 2023 to $1.1 trillion by 2032. As data volumes continue to increase, businesses need professionals who can analyze information quickly and accurately. The problem isn't a lack of data, it's a lack of skills. Many teams don't know how to clean, analyze, visualize, or use data to predict future outcomes. Without the right tools and knowledge, data becomes more of a burden than an advantage. The Big Data Analytics with Python training course helps bridge this gap by teaching practical skills in data analysis, visualization, machine learning, web scraping, and predictive modeling using Python. Participants learn how to transform raw data into actionable insights that support smarter decisions and innovation. If you're ready to unlock the power of data and build one of today's most valuable professional skills, enroll in the Big Data Analytics with Python training course today.